to Pure Evolution. Thank you for joining us again. Today we'll be talking about calories and weight management. So to start off, I'd like to just talk about what calories are really briefly. They are simply a measurement of how much energy can be produced from the foods that you eat. So that's it. That's the main thing that you would need to focus about with calories. Just remember that they don't indicate the quality of the food that you're about to eat or the reaction that is going to have on your body. They're not all created equal. I give a very common example of having a 120 calorie, 130 calorie little snack bar. Maybe it's reduced sugar, no added sugar, something like that, versus 120 or just a handful of nuts. So a lot of people have a little bit of a fear on nuts or higher calorie stuff. But the thing is that something like a enriched wheat flour, white flour snack that's only 130 calories, that can spike your blood sugar. And that's going to have a much more negative impact on your body than some very, very essential fats that are carried in nuts or even egg yolks. So just remember that they're not equal. It's not just about the amount, it's also about the reaction within your body. It's much better to have nutrient-dense foods, and that means calories or products that might actually have a little bit higher calories in them, like avocados and protein and complex carbohydrates and starches. Those are actually better for you than really quick refined stuff. So refined things like white flour, white rice, white breads, cereals, a lot of granola bars, all that kind of stuff actually has it's generally made from enriched wheat flour or just regular white flour, and that's not healthy at all for your blood sugar levels. And the reason why you want to avoid things like that is, again, the blood sugar levels, they increase toxicity in your body, and also at the same time they will slowly and sometimes quite aggressively push out minerals from your bones or push out other nutrients from the rest of your body. So all of that is completely uncoordinated with any sort of weight loss or weight management for you. The other thing that you want to just make sure that you're understanding is that at a cellular level, if you're not getting the nutrients that you need because you're eating synthetically produced food, your body isn't going to be able to support that goal, that it doesn't have the energy to even help you lose weight or metabolize fat. So it's very important to look at your body as a whole and think that it actually needs a lot of really good calories, a lot of really good source of food in order for it to help you lose weight. So if you are constantly depleted, you're going to be a little bit too tired, and maybe enzymes are not going to work. You might not digest your food. You might end up with some allergies. There's a whole host of problems that come from being malnourished and only trying to eat as little as possible. Your body works as a system that reacts with everything as opposed to just one track focus. So are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to maintain weight, or are you trying to gain weight or muscle? They're all going to require different things. If you're trying to lose, start addressing the types of calories that you're going to consume, because you have to be moderate. So proteins, complex carbohydrates from vegetables, from grains, and good quality nuts, good quality fats from nuts, yolks, seeds. And if you're trying to maintain weight, just try and eat what your body naturally craves, but keep it, again, within moderation. The best way all across the board is to at least start your base diet with vegetables, lower glycemic vegetables. If you're trying to gain muscle or gain weight, one of the most important things to consider is to not go for the quick, really high sugar products. Like some people will say, I need to start eating lots of cookies and candies and junk because I need to gain weight. What you need to do actually is eat more protein and complex carbohydrates. So how do you know what type of calories you should be eating? Again, focus on what your goal is, and that's the most important thing. Focus on how these foods that you've been eating make you feel, and if you feel any different when you're going for more whole, for complete meals. So we're going to wrap it up with a spring cleanup tip. So the 3 things that you can do right now to clean up those calories in your diet. Number 1 is to remove calorie reduced or low sugar or aspartame, any refined snacks or foods That's it. It sounds very, very simple, but it's a huge way to contribute to any of your health goals. So because they're synthetic, and they actually don't really give you any nourishment, leaving your body still craving other foods and sending a lot of mixed signals within your brain. You don't actually feel satisfied, and that's where a lot of that uncontrollable hunger comes from. The other thing that you want to do is avoid lots of white things: white sugar, white flour, white bread, and white pasta. All of those will spike your blood sugar and have a huge contribution effect to inflammation throughout your body, which is extremely uncomfortable and causes a lot of digestive issues. The other thing is your liquids. Clean those up completely. Soft drinks, lattes, and excessive use of sugars in your coffees, alcohol, and a lot of fruit juices. All of those are really high in sugar. They're going to affect your blood sugar levels. They're going to spike your energy and then kind of bring you crashing down. And they come with a lot of other toxins too. So you want to really clean those up. And just remember that overall, it's about shifting the balance towards eating a little bit more healthy, a little bit more often, and eating a little bit less refined, a little bit less often. And not, you don't have to go from one extreme to the other. Just slowly start to shift in that direction. And remember that when it comes to food and eating, you are refined. You are refined, and your food and everything else is whole. So that's it. It's the basics of it. Thank you so much for watching, and join us next time on Pure Evolution. Thank you.